You're a mobile developer, and you probably enjoy it. However, you always have to do a necessary task. Every single time you do the same thing. First, prepare the template of the application you're developing, and then start developing the actual code. Sometimes this first task may be even more time-consuming than the development of the actual code itself. What if you could just bypass the design development process and save valuable time? What if you already had the user interface completed and you could just work on the more important aspects of your job? We are mobile developers too, and we specialize in developing the user interface of your application. We've worked on numerous projects, and therefore, we've obtained a deep knowledge of a developer's needs. Take a look at the services we can provide and let us save you precious time.